You're here trying to get boo baskets or Burr baskets. You think she'll like this, babe? These pens, if you're a teacher, are the best pens. I mean, who doesn't love a mug? This one? I asked your son. He says he drinks coffee. He might. Guys, phone sets. This is cute. We're at Target, you guys. Looking a little pricey. We could go this way and get baskets. You're here trying to get boo baskets or Burr baskets for our child's teacher. So let's see. It's not looking too crazy right now, so let's see what happens when we get there. I don't know. These feel weird. Oh, this is cute. So they usually put this on a cup or something like that. So I'll get her one of these. It's really cute. A candle. Balsam. Balsam might be a good one. You think she'll like this? I'm gonna get this one. I love that. You think she'll like this, babe?
Yes.
Oh, do you like this one better? Not over here. Baskets. I'm looking for a basket. Walking. Said aisle A something. So aisle A. It's okay. Let's see. I'll show you guys when we get there. These are like pens. Ooh. These pens, if you're a teacher, are the best pens. So I think this one, that's good enough. So basically you put everything in like that. See?
Put pens in it?
Yeah. It's hard because I don't know. Oh, sorry. This one? This is good, you think? Okay, that basket already looks better. Alright, now I gotta get her. Looking for a cup. But of course, they don't have. These are the only ones. These two really gorgeous. They don't have any cups. It's officially awesome. I mean, who doesn't love a mug? Oh, do not disturb is cute. Black is beautiful. Let's try the other. The name starts with the S. No, no personalized mugs. It stinks. This chocolate's always a good idea. I don't think they have any cups here. I checked. I would like a cup with her name on it. Ooh, mugs. Not like this though. I don't like these. I think that's good for now. Maybe I'll pick up a cup from Amazon or something, but that's good for now. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, so we're back in the house and this is the Burr basket that I made for his teacher. So I just got this throw, which feels amazing. Then I have these chocolates for her, pens. These are literally like some of the best pens ever. They just write so well. Then I got this Simply Modern cup, which I thought was nice, and I know teachers like water bottles. Then I got a candle because it smelled good, so I just got this tinsel and time candle. A little gingerbread man. Usually I've been seeing them like inside the water bottles, but I don't know, I see these guys inside the water bottles. And then I just got this Frenchie like hand moisturizer because I feel like teachers' hands are always dry. I don't know if I should get more in this Burr basket, but this is what I have so far. I was thinking maybe a mug and maybe some hand sanitizer or something, or I don't know, some salty snack. I don't know. But what do you guys think about the basket? Let me know. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one today, y'all, because it's gonna be a quick, short one. It's gonna be you coming with me to get my Burr basket. Coming with me to get a Burr basket from Target for my baby, and I hope his teacher loves it. I think she's a great teacher and she deserves it. So I'll talk to you guys in my next one tomorrow.